my friends, I'm Professor Múcio Porto, plastic surgeon in Brazil. I'm here to invite you for our next wonderful course about facial thread lifting. This is the non-invasive procedure for facial lifting using threads. I know there are a lot of courses all around, sponsored by some companies. They teach you how to use their threads. And this is not good because we have a lot of indications, a lot of cases and different people, they need different threads. So the proposal of our courses is sponsored by the American Academy of Aesthetic Medicine is to teach you first how to analyze the face. Which case is for surgical face lifting and which case you use threads. And especially what kind of threads you will choose to use on your patients, because there are a lot of confusions. I will give you my experience and some tips how to choose the best thing. I think you will love our course, and it will be held in Dubai. I think that it will be a very good thing for your practice as a aesthetic doctor. Don't lose this opportunity. I'm here waiting for you. See you.